Hello everyone, in this video, we will provide you the information on how to use the Teacher app dashboard of SIPSNITya. Let's begin. In the Engagements tab we have various options like calendar, attendance, class diary, exams, corrections and assignments. Now let's go through it one by one. This is the calendar option. Click on it, and the calendar will be displayed and updated holidays and events can be viewed here. Next, let's move on to attendance option. In the day attendance marking interface allows us to manage and confirm daily attendance, including half-day attendance, with support for 3 types: marking attendance once a day, first half attendance, and second half attendance. When accessing the dashboard with classes, choose the specific class and, if you wish to mark attendance for the entire day, click on Mark Attendance. The student names will be displayed, and you can select the absent students before clicking on Submit. This action will trigger a notification to be sent to the parents. Similarly, you can do the same for the first half and second half attendance. Next, let's explore the Class Diary option. Here, you can update all the homework for the selected class that you wish to send. To begin, click on Class Diary. Then select Add Diary Notes. Type in all the homework details, and once you are finished, save the entries. Afterward, click on the Diary to All option to send the homework notes to all the students. Next, by clicking the Exam option, you will be able to view the subjects allocated to you. Here, you can select the desired exam type, choose the class or section and subject, and click on the Search button. This action will display the exam papers relevant to your selection. Then click on Papers Updated button. Here you can see the list of student names, and then click on Edit button and enter their marks and click on Save button. Then automatically next student name will be appeared. Then continue with the same process. Next, moving on to the Notebook Corrections section. Teachers have the ability to send correction remarks for their students' notebooks. To do this, simply click on the Add New button. The teacher's name will be automatically selected. Next, choose the subject and the specific student's name. Enter the correction remarks in the provided space. Additionally, you have the option to upload images of the corrected notebook, attach audio files, and other relevant documents. Once everything is in place, click on Save to store the corrections and related materials. Next, to assign tasks to students, click on the Assignments option. From there, you can select Add New to create a new assignment. Enter the class and subjects for which the assignment is intended. Additionally, you have the option to attachments to support the assignment and save it. In the next tab, you will find 3 sections: Leaves, Enquiries, and Remarks. In the Leave option, the students who has requested for the leave will be available here, and the teacher can view it and go to Edit option, and the teacher can approve or deny the leave for the particular student. Next, moving on to the Enquiries option, you can view any enquiries that have been made. Each inquiry will be listed with the name of the person making the inquiry. Then teacher can go to Edit option and revert back to that inquiry. In the Remarks section, you have the option to add individual remarks for specific students. To do this, click on the Add New button. Select the student's name for whom you wish to provide remarks. Enter the relevant remarks about the student in the provided space. If necessary, you can also add audio recordings and attach files to support the remarks. Once everything is entered, click on Save to store the remarks for that student. And it will also be visible in Parent app as well. In the next tab, you will find 3 sections: Gallery, Media Library, and Birthday. In the Gallery option, you can view any updated media like text, photos, audios and videos. In the Media Library section, you have the ability to add images or any content that you wish to publish. To begin, click on the Add New button. Enter the desired name for the media or content and provide a short description if needed. Next, select the relevant subject and specify the intended recipients. You can then add the image, choose the video type, and include the video ID. Additionally, you have the option to attach files related to the media. Select the status of the content and choose the publishing date for when it should be made public. Lastly, select your name to associate yourself with the entry and then save all the details. This will ensure that the media or content is ready for publication according to your specified settings. Next, in the birthday option, the teacher can view birthdays of the students who are celebrating on that particular date. In the next tab, you will find 3 sections, that is Messages, Students and Staff Diary. In the Messages section, you can click on it to check the messages that have been sent, along with details of the recipients and the respective dates on which the messages were sent. Next, in the Students option, you can easily access and view the details of students allocated to a particular teacher for a specific class. Simply click on the Student option, choose the class or section, afterwards click on the Search button, and you will be able to view comprehensive details of all the students belonging to that particular class. In the Staff Diary option, teachers can record their completed work. To do this, click on Staff Diary, then select the Add New button. Choose the date for which you want to make the entry and type in the relevant notes about your completed tasks. If desired, you can also add audio recordings or attach files to support the entry. Once everything is entered, click on Save to store the information in the Staff Diary. To access your profile, click on the Profile option located in the bottom right corner of the dashboard. Here, you can view your personal information. To add your photo, click on the Image area and upload a photo. For easy attendance marking, web checking option is available in the profile. You can check in and check out in the designated time, and it will be helpful for capturing your attendance. Then if you want to view your attendance, you can click on My Attendance option. If you need to apply for leave, click on the Staff Leave option. Then, click on Add New to submit a leave request. Specify the type of leave required, select the dates, provide a reason, and save the application. To generate your payslip, click on the Payslip option. There you can view it. Lastly, to change your password, access the Change Password option and follow the prompts to update your password securely. We hope you have found this information very useful. Thank you.